Part 2. Connecting the HANI clamp sensor via USB to the Omega Sync configuration software for fast ad hoc readings. For this type of setup, you'll need an IF001 8-pin M12 to USB smart interface cable and a Windows PC running Omega Sync configuration software. If you aren't already running Sync, we've provided a link here in the description to download it for free. With your PC up and running Omega Sync configuration software, connect the M12 end of the smart interface cable to the HANI clamp sensor and plug the USB end into the PC, and Sync will auto-detect your HANI sensor. You should see the sensor name and the SKU number here in the devices list. And you should begin to see temperature readings in the measurement value panel below. Depending on the SKU number, the HANI sensor will be pre-configured with a specific pipe diameter, standard wall thickness, and the pipe material will be set to stainless steel. If you need to change this default, it can be configured here in the configuration panel. Then click Apply Settings to lock them in. Click on the Outputs tab, and under Output Mapping, you can change the default 0 to 100 degrees Celsius scaling of the HANI if you need to match it up with an existing analog device that's scaled differently. And if you need to quickly relocate the HANI sensor, just unclamp the sensor and move it to a new location, and click the refresh button on your Sync software.